Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through the simple process of how to unarchive a chat on the WhatsApp app for PC after the latest update. If you've ever archived a conversation and later realized you need it back on your main chat list, don't worry, it only takes a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app loads, look at the left side menu where your list of chats usually appears. Here, you'll see an option labeled Archived. This is where WhatsApp stores all the conversations you've chosen to move out of sight. Go ahead and click on Archived to open the folder. When the archived folder is open, you'll see a list of all the chats you've previously hidden. Scroll through the list and find the conversation you'd like to unarchive. Take your time here, especially if you've archived quite a few different chats. Once you've located the right one, move your mouse over that chat. The next step is easy. Right-click on the chat you want to bring back. A small menu will appear with several options. From that menu, look for the choice labeled Unarchive. Click on it. As soon as you do, the chat will be instantly removed from the archived folder and placed back into your main list of conversations. That's it. You've successfully unarchived a chat. From now on, that conversation will show up right alongside all your other active chats, making it easier to find and continue your conversations without having to dig into the archive section. This update has made the process smoother and ensures your important chats are always within reach whenever you decide to bring them back. Remember, you can archive and unarchive chats as often as you like. Archiving is simply a way to keep your chat list tidy, and unarchiving brings things back when you need them again. Now you know exactly how to manage archived chats on WhatsApp for PC with just a few clicks.